Alright, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. We are headed to EPCOT. It is Lucia's official 4th birthday today. So we're going to make it a great day. Good morning, welcome to EPCOT. So I had a lightning lane booked for Frozen this morning and the ride must be down, so they canceled it. So we're gonna go check, see how long the line is for Ratatouille. I kind of want to get some bread this morning from France. I haven't done that in like years. And I think Aurora, we might be able to see Aurora too. So I think we'll go check that out. Okay, let's see if she's there. Alright, let's go see France Pavilion. We got in at 1 o'clock last night, so we got kind of a late start, so it's 9:30. We just get in here. Ratatouille, not bad, 30 minutes. 30-minute standby line, not bad for 9:30. Oh, right here, baby. No, go get it. We get 1 and 2. Thank you. Boom. I got you. I'm a boy? That's not a nice insult. Lucia just called me a boy because I didn't want her playing with the fountain. I thought she was going to fall in. I think we got to go this way. Alright. Okay, you don't have to, but you got to come with me because I didn't want to. Okay, let's find a shop and find a scissors, okay?
I'll smash it.
You're going to smash it? Trying to get our wristbands from last night's party off. So, okay, we gotta go into a shop and get the scissors, baby. Okay? So over here, they should have a little cafe that we could buy some bread. So we haven't been in here. We haven't been in here in a while, so we're gonna go check it out. But first, we're gonna see if they have a scissors in here. Alright, the line for the bread was way too long. We weren't going to wait in line. I asked Lucy if she wanted to, but she's like, no, she doesn't want to. There's not that much open. Of course, we had to stop in the shop to cut off the bands from last night, and of course, Lucia had to get this. Remy? Yeah, she's not spoiled at all. Yeah, it is her birthday today, so we're having a yes day for Lucia. So we're trying to find something that's open for breakfast right now. That would have been ideal in France. It's just too long. We're still trying to figure out lightning lane situations since they keep canceling all my lightning lanes. I know what she wants. I know. Please enter here. I spy pink donut. Are you going to share with Mommy?
Okay.
You going to share with me?
Mommy, you're going to get the pink one. I already get the white one.
Alright, she didn't want to get a pink donut, so of course I had to get a pink donut. And also, it is National Coffee Day today. I didn't know, so I got my iced coffee for only $1, so that's a win. Definitely a win in my book. Rest in peace, dress. She's fighting with me. She wanted a chocolate one. We're gonna watch the dress carefully here. You like your donut? Alright, we walked like almost all the way to Italy. Got a Joffrey's donut and a $1 iced coffee, and now we're walking all the way back to France because she wants to meet Aurora, which is totally fine because nothing is open yet. I think everything opens at 11. So that's fine. I probably have pink donut all over my face, so apologize. It's so bright and sunny I can't even tell. So yeah, we're walking back now. Yeah, and okay, so they canceled, let me tell you, I had the most perfect lineup for lightning lanes this morning. Everything was like right in a row. We had Soarin, Frozen, and my gosh, maybe Living with the Land or something. I forgot what the third one was. And I first got the notification that Frozen ride is down. And then when I went to go check to see when our next lightning lane was, I noticed that Soarin was down, but they allowed me to rebook for like 12:45. So I rebooked it, and now they just cancel it again. So I'm like, you know what? I don't know if I should just go to customer service and just say forget it and not just like maybe we could get a refund for our lightning lane. But we are planning to go to Magic Kingdom later, so we could probably use it for that. So I gotta figure that out.
Oh, I know you were dressed. Thank you. I did you look like?
Alright, we're waiting for our turn to take a picture, so we're gonna do our first blind bag opening of Sweet Dreams.
Let's see what it says.
What's the first one you got? Ooh! Lucifer sleeping. 101 Dalmatians. Is that Pluto? Okay, what's the last two? Oh!
Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow. What's your favorite one?
This one.
Oh. Alright, I'm like sweltering as usual. So Lucy had to go to the bathroom, so we stopped to go to the bathroom in Germany, and I think that Jose's cousin is gonna come meet us, so that'll be fun. Yeah, so we're just sitting here waiting for her to get here. It's always so hard for me to get her out of here. These are the trains by Germany. I just want a Prosecco, okay? Like, she had to go to the bathroom, so we ran over here, and now I cannot get her over the trains. My favorite.
Italy?
Yes, I love Prosecco.
You have a good taste.
I love Prosecco. All right, yo amo Prosecco.
Yes.
As I'm spilling it everywhere. All right, Mama. Lucia.
Bienvenidos.
Of inspiration is at the heart of all creation, right at the start.
We can take it slow. Your will is my law. I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can bring.
All right, guys. Okay, we just finished Living with the Land, and we're gonna go check out Soarin'. I'm so excited because I've never been on it. Lucia's never been on it.
I'm tall enough to do that.
Yes, you're right. You're tall enough. So I'm so excited because we're gonna experience it together. Mommy's never done this ride either, so I'm very excited. All the times we used to come here, like before COVID, we could never get, like the lines were too long, we could get a fast pass for here. And then after Lucia was born, she wasn't tall enough, so now she's tall enough, and we finally were able to do this, so I'm very excited, so come along. All right, first time on Soarin', are you ready? You excited? All right, let's go. Finished with Soarin. That was so awesome. Like, that was worth the 10-year plus wait that I have yet to go on Soarin. So that was awesome. There was a couple times me and Lucia were like, ah, you know, because we're like chickens. But yeah, it was definitely fun, and I think it's going to be a new ride favorite of mine here at EPCOT. We have a little bit of time yet, not too much time, because we have to head on over to Magic Kingdom. So we're gonna meet Jose's cousin back. They're at the creation shop, so we're gonna go over there. I need to buy Lucia another pair of earrings, and then we're gonna head on over to Magic Kingdom for Bippity Boppity. So of course, Lucia fell asleep. We're here in the creation shop, so you know what I have to get, right? More earrings. Every time we come, we got the earrings. So these are definite. You need to buy these if you're a kid that likes lollipops. We have one. Okay, brought it. I should take using Wish black. So adorable. We got Figment. Lucia loves Figment. Bye. Alright guys, I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. We are headed on over to Magic Kingdom, so if you'd love to see that one or any vlogs today we're doing Bippity Boppity, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like, it really does help support the channel, and we will see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.